5 of how to sneeze. I don't want to do this. I'm too sad. So yeah, I'm doing, after this I'm going to do a video after I eat. Not part 6, not part 6. Got the Q-tips. Where's the Vaseline? Got it already. So I'm not doing any shout outs. But someone told me to like touch my nose when these are in my nose. Like, and then I touch my nose. I don't know how that's gonna work out. I'll just get started. Okay, so I'm ready. As you see. Oh, wait. Oh, don't fall off the bed, don't fall off the bed. Okay, you're safe, it's safe, it's safe. Everyone know what part of the bed. Ow. That's what part of the bed I am at. We're gonna do a different angle. Ow, I'm going. Okay, now we're ready. I'll do one cute pick first. I'm gonna take their advice. You. I don't know where to put you right here. Okay. So I'll touch my nose. Ouch! Ow! That didn't make me sneeze, but it hurts. Okay. I'm not sneezing. Well, the first one didn't work. Second time's the charm. Other nose hole. I know someone can't call that adorable, but okay. Nose hole again. So, sorry. So that's it. I'm kidding, that's not it. Let's go. So I'll put the Vaseline right here so you guys can't see anything. You can guys just hear everything that I'm doing. Okay, I'm done. I grabbed all the things I need. As you guys know, I already got the Vaseline. Why am I saying this all over again? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, these. I got the whole pack of the Q-tips. So if it fails, if it fails, then I can't do anything about it. I just have to throw them. Or actually, I have to put them in my pile over there. Don't worry, I throw them out. Ew! Oh wait, that's me. Dang it, what happened? Okay. First one, not so deep to the nose hole. Or else I won't sneeze. Okay, make sure not to go so deep. My eyes are getting watery. Oh yeah, and I have eye bags. I woke up, so like, it's 9. Wait, what? Come on, did I? challenge, a comment right now. I'm doing a video. My eyes are getting watery. I'll put you over there. Other nose hole. Why am I doing this? Why do you guys enjoy me sneezing? I guess that could work. So that's it for part 5. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's part 5. Is it part 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, it's part 5. It's part 5. Anyway, that's it for part 5 of how to sneeze. I'm tired, even though it's 9 in the morning, and I need to play Roblox so I can get my stuff. 5 hours later, I will get it again. Anyways, goodbye. No bloopers, because I did no bloopers. Anyways, bye guys.